Returns earned from relationships with customers are the lifeblood of all firms. To survive and achieve strategic competitiveness in the contemporary competitive landscape, firms must identify who their customers are, 2. Determine customer needs or preferences, 3. Focus on satisfying the needs of some groups of customers, and lastly, determine how to compete, meaning select a strategy that enables them to satisfy customer needs. The firm's relationships with its customers are strengthened when it delivers superior value to them. A number of companies have become skilled at managing all aspects of the relationship with their customers. For example, Amazon.com is known for the quality of information it maintains about its customers, the service it renders, and its ability to anticipate customer needs. Cemex uses the internet to link its customers, cement plants, and main control room, allowing the firm to automate orders and optimize truck deliveries in highly congested Mexico City. In the internet age, firms can maintain competitive advantage by thinking continuously about accessing and connecting with customers. That's kind of the reach idea. 2. Maintaining information with depth and detail for and from customers. That's more of a richness. And then lastly, facilitating useful interactions with customers, which is affiliation. The first step is to identify customers based on differences in needs or preferences, often called market segmentation. This enables the firm to have a better grasp on what might be important to customers because of the lack of any in-depth insights relevant for decision making that are provided by central tendencies of the market in general. Dimensions that can be used to identify potential customers include the following factors. From a consumer market standpoint, you can look at demographic factors, or socioeconomic, geographic, psychological, consumption, perceptual. From an industrial market standpoint, you can look at end user, product, geographic or common buying factors, or customer size segments. It is imperative that firms pay careful attention to differences in customer needs among customer groups and not arbitrarily lump them together because A. Almost any identifiable human organizational characteristic can be used to subdivide a market into segments that differ from one another on a given characteristic. B. Customer characteristics are often combined to segment markets into specific groups that have unique needs. And C. Demographic factors can also be used to segment markets into generations with unique interests and needs. In the U.S., the teenage market segment is a competitively relevant customer group, for example. Now, as noted in Chapter 3, one challenge is for firms to identify ways in which they can handle or bundle the resources and capabilities to create value for customers. Because given the choice, customers are most interested in purchasing products that both satisfy their needs and product value. After the firm decides whom it will serve, it must identify the targeted customer group's needs that its goods or services can satisfy. This is important in that the successful firms learn how to deliver to customers what they want and when they want it. In a general sense, needs or wants are related to a product's benefits and features. Having a close and frequent interactions with both current and potential customers helps the firm identify those individuals and groups' current and future needs. From a strategic perspective, a basic need of all customers is to buy products that create value for them. The most effective firms continuously strive to anticipate changes in customer needs. Failure to do this results in the loss of customers to competitors who are offering greater value in terms of product features and functionalities. In any given industry, there's a great variety among consumers in terms of their needs. For example, high quality, low cost with acceptable quality, quick delivery. Diversified food and soft drink producer PepsiCo delivers what they believe is any one consumer has different needs at different times of the day. As explained in chapters 1 and 3, core competencies are resources and capabilities that serve as a source of competitive advantage for the firm or its rivals. Firms use core competencies to implement value-creating strategies and thereby satisfy customer needs. Only those firms with the capacity to continuously improve, innovate, and upgrade their competencies can expect to meet and hopefully exceed customers' expectations across time.